Now that we have a social listening campaign and we are receiving some mentions, as you can see here, we have 800. Some of them here, um, happy with this. This is not happy one about Walmart. Website crashed again. And so we would like to receive this in alerts, and we will create mailing lists to receive this. So we'll go to mail list and we'll create our first mailing list. We'll give it a name. Let's say Kroger mentions. And we want to receive negative mentions. Mentions of Kroger brands. And I want to have an instant, not hourly. As soon as it arrives, I want to hear about it. I want detailed report as soon as it comes in. One mention is enough. If you leave this blank, it's fine. But if it's more, put in one. Here, I want to specify the keywords. So I will choose Kroger brand, Kroger delivery, pickup, health, and I want to receive from everybody. It doesn't have to be a verified author, and I don't want to have a follower count threshold for complaints. But I do want to have a filter here where I only want to receive negative mentions. So I've selected 4 keywords, all authors, no limit to followers, but only negative sentiment mentions. And I create list. And this creates the list, but of course the list doesn't have any members yet, so I have to invite members and they must accept my invitation, which would then authorize me to send them emails. We can go here and we invite a member, and I will invite myself. And you'll see the invitation here. There it is. Now the email will come in and it will take you to a page like this that says you're invited to be a member of Program Mentions for this campaign name. And you can either decline or accept. I will accept. This is great. You're a member now. And so I can go back to here and, oh, here I am already a member here. And that means this email address is going to be receiving mentions from this campaign as soon as they come in with the negative sentiment.